Now every chip is done, and what we can do now is we can go here and hit this purple Save button, save as UHT Chip Design to use in your tournaments. You get a nice preview which already looks exactly as our image here, which was now created for us. And we give it a name, My Special Design, created. And now you already get the success message that everything worked out. We can go back to our tournament configuration, maybe refresh the page so everything gets loaded. And if we go back to our chip denominations, we now have our newly created chips here at our disposal. Of course, you can leave out the text. So maybe you want to use custom denominations at your tournament. You can, of course, always remove those. So just load them back up again, change them and save again. Pretty easy, and then you just update your design. And now you already have a second design created, which you can use here with your own denominations at tournament runtime. Pretty easy stuff. So let's go ahead and actually create this tournament. Let's call it test, create some blind structure, and of course use our chip denominations. Let's call this 1, 5, 10, and 25. The other ones we don't actually want to see because they have already denominations on them. We will take a clock design and create a tournament. And now if we start, you can see we have our chips here. And if you create your own design or modify an existing design, you can even tell the designer to display the denominations inside the chips, which we're not going to show as part of this tutorial, but this is definitely possible to display denomination inside the chip. All right, I hope this was helpful to you and you now know how to create your own chips. And even if you don't want to go through all the steps, you can always, if you start new, click on Start with a template and select one of the templates here from UHT to play around with. You can modify those how you want. You can play around with the settings and see what you come up with. All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you around.